The ins and outs of the stock market. Almost no endeavor is fraught with as much excitement and risk as that of investing in stocks. However, without the right type of knowledge and insight, investing can be something that results in little more than empty pockets. Therefore, before you start selecting and managing securities on your own behalf, take the advice in this piece to heart, so that you are prepared to act wisely. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence, or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. If you are investing in a stock, be aware of potential changes and prepare for them. The stock market is like a roller coaster, always going up and down, and it is crucial that you are prepared for this to happen. If you feel like you need to know more about these changes, do your research on the internet. If you want to invest but are unsure of what to buy, use a full-service broker. These firms have staff with expertise in the field and highly current knowledge of the markets. While these brokers charge the most, their advice and recommended picks are usually pretty safe bets. Many individuals working at these brokers are they themselves making a lot of money in the stock market and can make you some too, for a fee. Investing is something that can bring great fortune, but also great regret. In order to make smart investment decisions, education is critical. For that reason, anyone considering dipping their toes in the waters of the stock market should first review the advice in this video, so that they understand the fundamentals of skillful investing. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.